Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's monthly reading. Sorry, last week's exclusive love reading. So if you're going through any situationship, relationship or marriage, this reading is for you. Sun, Moon or Rising if you are a Pisces or Mean. This reading is for you. So let's start. Let's see what is going to happen in your love life. You've got the Two of Moons and the Eight of Suns. And you've also got the Prophetess and the One of Suns. So yes, I do see some sort of union happening or reunion happening, which means that I don't know why I'm stuttering, guys. Sorry and excuse me for that. So yes, if you were waiting for a situation to patch up again, if you were waiting for somebody to come back again, if you are going through a no contact situation, this is a card of reconciliation. This is also a card of celebration. That means either you are celebrating the patch up, celebrating the reconciliation, or you are celebrating a new start as well. So a new person can come your way and you can start a good, proper, committed relationship with them, or somebody from the past will come back with some sort of offer, which is an offer of commitment or maybe a marriage proposal. Now, this week, I do not see exact marriage happening for you, but I do see that you could be celebrating a patch up, or you could be celebrating at least the news of it, that you guys are getting back together, or you are starting a new relationship, or you guys are getting married, right? So you could be celebrating a small function here and there, or meeting of the families, or roka or engagement, but not exact marriage because that's still in the pipeline. But nevertheless, it's a time for celebration for you guys. Next two cards talk about prophetess, which means I do see that you're very intuitive. Okay, you know who's going to come your way, you know if they are going to propose to you or not, and I also see that you somewhere know that your life is changing, that your personal life is also now will be the highlight of your life. Your focus has always been on your career till now, because the life was stuck, because nothing was happening in the personal life. But 2025 will be very different for you. Okay, I do see new beginnings for you, and I also see a lot of patience from your side. So you guys have been single for a very, very long time. You've shown tremendous patience. So I would like to appreciate you for that. I do see new beginnings happening for you. Now, this person could be as spiritual as you are. This person could be as similar to you as you wanted them to be. And I do see that you will be very happy with this person, because this person will not just give you happiness, but they will also take care of you, right? So beautiful cards for you, Pisces. If you would like uh, to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment I claim this energy so that this reaches you faster. Also, if you resonated with my channel, if you resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I have started memberships community, so I will be joining you guys every Friday and Saturday at 10:30 p.m. for a live Q&A session. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and then become a member to participate in this live Q&A. There will be a lot of perks given to you. The videos will be shown to the members first and then public. You will get loyalty badges. You will be able to participate in the live Q&A and a lot more. So please go and check it out. If you still have any doubts regarding the reading, if you have very specific questions regarding career, health, family, exams, anything, please, you are free to book a reading with me. Either you email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me at the Moksha Tarot also. The charges are very cheap, very budgeted, so that you can avail all the services and you can ask multiple questions as well. You can check out the charges in the description box and I will give you all the details. Okay, take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.